Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Market Analysis. Let's deep dive key market insights today. We are looking at S&P 500. Market is bullish. We are looking for 17th of September rate cut. Market sell-off. Sell the news. Market is following a certain pattern. So the market comes to all-time high, then pull back and goes up another all-time high and sell off. Again comes here, high, pull back, another all-time high, sell off. So we'll see the repeated pattern in a similar way. The market will continue from here to be bullish. Around 17th of September, sell the news is definite. There will be a big sharp drop like this one. Okay, but market will recover very fast within 2 or 3 days. Okay, so there will be a sharp drop. Make sure you know that before 17th of September, covered all your position. There will be a drop big time. Okay, and then the market will bounce. Be ready to buy the dip on the rate cut. Okay, so right now market is maintaining the bullish momentum right here. Will continue. So bull side all the trade. So moving forward, if you look at, there is a bearish divergence and this push, this one, there will be a last push upward and then sell off. Okay, so moving forward to AI, good stock to buy in this area. You can accumulate and hold. I always knew it even when it was trading at $43. I knew it's a $15 stock. So we are very close to the area that we need. We'll be targeting the previous high area, right in 23.95, 24 area for the profit booking. So if you're buying in this one, you buy the share, you sell the put, you buy the long call, at least for beyond 90 days, because this will take few weeks before the recovery starts. Okay, there had been some institution buying right in this area. So it means this is the liquidity grab and the price will recover. Moving forward to BMNR, we have a few short put trade. All are in profit. We'll be opening another trade because we are looking for a big bounce from here. Once we cross the 50 EMA, the stock will turn bullish and the majority of buyer will jump in right once the candle. Once one candle closes, the next candle like this one, okay, momentum candle. There is no volume right here. If you look at on the volume bar, there is no volume. So we need a momentum candle similar to this particular candle like here. So there will be a big green candle. Volume will pick up because we have the bullish divergence and everything. The setup is perfect. Okay, we are at the POC line. So there will be a big momentum candle. Price will break the 50 EMA and right here then continue shoot up towards 60 area. All-time high to 71.72. So this is the area that, but we'll be out at 59.49. This is the area that we are looking. We don't want to hold it all the way to this area. We'll be out at this price point. Okay, it may continue after that from 59.49. It may go to 71 and even higher, but we'll be out at 60. We don't want to trade after that. Okay, so we'll be opening another short put spread as soon as the market opens. Go for that trade. Moving forward to UNH, nice bounce since 248. I clearly mentioned the stock is going to 371. Right here, 8th of July, it was alerted 371.61 in 90 days. We are just 60 days in the trade. There are still 30 days left. The price 371.61 is incoming. The price will continue to be bullish and moving forward. Moving forward to bull, buy and accumulate. Multiple times we have traded. It took our exit at 15.11. 16.15 right in this area, and after that we were waiting for the buy. We did the trade at 12.98. We are accumulating in this area, although we have already bought in, but it's still good. Like if you're not in the trade, it's still good to buy. We are looking at 15.64 again and we'll be out right in this area. This trend line, third lower high. Okay, third lower high rejection on the resistance and we'll be out around 15.64 to 15.92, this area. Okay, our price target is right in this area, right? If you look at the previous high right here. So 1564, these two-time rejection, one rejection, another rejection, and there are multiple rejection right in this area before here. So 1564 will be out with the profit. Clean spark leap call. We are only trading the leap call on this one. We are not buying the share. All our trade are in profit. Continue holding this one. We are looking for at least this price point right in this area. We'll have a change of character right at this point, which is 998, and the price target is right here 1144, and we'll be out of this trade with the profit. Okay, only leap call. Moving forward to Chipotle Mexican, buy the share as much as possible. We are very close to the bottom. We have the elephant candle stopping volume and the sell side climax. We have the liquidity grab below this area. Below this, all the stop loss are triggered now. Stock is about to recover. Worst case, it can fall to 37, but buy. This is in solid buy zone. Buy where possible. Okay, all in your TFSA, IRA, 401k, trading account. Where the hell you can buy this stock in this area. Okay, and hold. This is one of the stock that you want to buy and hold. This is not your tomorrow making profit, but in 2-3 weeks, 4 weeks, you'll be good with a solid profit in this one. Okay. If I need to prefer, although there is no match between the CMG and SMCI, but I would prefer SMCI to put more money into SMCI than Chipotle Mexican. Okay, these are two different industries, but just because both are in the buy zone, that's why I'm giving you the comparison that both are in same area. So I'll prefer SMCI over the CMG, like 20% money in CMG and 80% in SMCI. Moving forward to coin, what we are looking at, we are in this is this spread candle, very interesting. You see this one right in this area, mark this spread candle top. This is the area the price is going without hesitation. 389, you are still at 303. Our buy was 294 and 89, and since then we are holding all our trade. We'll continue holding with 389.14. This $80 we need it, and this is where the price is heading. Okay, how long it will take? Approximately, I can count from here. Approx. Okay, this is not the certain. I have to run the other checks on those. Date range, if you look at from here, and we have been here for like about 34 days. All right, so expect anywhere between 30 to 45 days to price to go to 389. So that's the time frame we are looking at in this one. Okay, moving forward to Circle, we had our entry at 108. This was called right when the stock was trading over 190, right in this area. The first low right here when it was trading at 264 to I think 259 or something area, we called it. This is heading for 108, and this is the buy zone. You need to buy this stock right in this area. It's a buy and hold, long call, lead call, short put, whatever the way you want to trade Circle. It should be on your watch list now every single day. Moving forward to core view, all our trade are in profit. We have the short put, we have the share, we have the covered call sold. Let the share call away through the covered call. Do not close the covered call on the loss. Try to make more money. Okay, so let the share go away. Your capital will become free, and your covered call will be assigned to you with the profit. On the top, we have the $150 call. Let that call ride for the profit as much as possible. Okay, moving forward to HIMS, all our trade are in profit again. We are waiting for a little bit of retracement in this area. We have this volume down divergence right in this area. Price is overbought. Also, we have a death cross on the MACD. The price will give us a retracement anywhere from 45.93 to 43.96. This is the area the price will retrace right in this area. This is the area of retracement, point of control line. Okay, the first target is 45.93, which is 50 EMA. We have not retested 50 EMA, and then the bounce, another one. This is wave one going on. Let me tell you, there is a hell of upside on HIMS. This is wave one. If I give you the wave right here, this is what you should be looking on the chart. Wave one, this is wave two, and that goes wave three, like this one. And then wave four, right at this point, and then wave five. Okay, stock is bullish. If the wave has to fail, wave one never failed. Make sure you know that. Wave 1 and 2 never fail. Wave 3 failed. So this is the area of failure. If the stock has to fail, like this wave has to fail, it will only fail at this price point, right at this one. I can give you more precise. Right at this area, around 63 area, there is a possibility of the pattern to fail and then retrace again. So till 63, you stay in the trade and you continue trading. Moving forward to Lucid, we added a small position right here. Make sure you trade with the covered call. Okay, stock is heading right in this area. This is our price area, 23. After 23, you don't want to trade this. It's not a millionaire maker stock. I can repeat, it's not a millionaire maker stock. It's good to trade. Most of the time when the price goes up, you short. Company is losing hell of a money. So company may not go bankrupt, but there is more money on Lucid to be made downside compared to upside. You need to understand, every time the stock bounces, you short. There's a more money to be made on the short side. Every time it reaches to resistance, you short it, even if you don't want to buy at the bottom. Okay, but make sure you always sit on the short side. I have been shorting this stock since $57, and then it went to under $1. Okay, I love short selling on these kind of stock where the company is constantly losing money. Lululemon. All right, we have the elephant candle right here. The stock has not been able to break this one. We are waiting for this VSA candle. We don't have it. Okay, this one is not your VSA candle. This is the stopping volume. Another, we had a selling climax. We are waiting for the spread candle right here. So there will be, what will happen If we look at this wicks, which is the selling climax we have here, okay, so what will happen? This wick, right from the closing of this candle to the wick, this is the area that you want to buy. Anything in this area is a good buy because there is a volume gap to fill right in this area, which is 190. Okay, so there is a $30 upside. Eventually, the price will go to $209. We'll retest this spread candle at the top, 207. So anything you are buying in this, which two blue line I have drawn, the wick of this particular candle, which was on, when was this candle? Right here. Okay, 5th September, 8 a.m. This candle, this one. Okay, this particular candle you are interested in. You want to buy the wick of this candle and let the price retrace. Moving forward to MSTR, we are uncovered on MSTR, but right now we are not going covered. But before 17th September, we must cover our position on this one. So let the stock recover. I'm looking for this area, which is 359.54 area before I go cover right in this area. The third touch point of the trend line, which is the lower high. If I show you this one, look. So this is the first higher high, then the lower high, another one. And then the second one, there will be another rejection at 359. And the next time, so from 359, 343, and then we will break out towards $400. Okay. So from here, 359.54 is imminent. At the 359.54, there will be a rejection, 100%. The price will retrace. And this is the most likely the candle you will see. One big green candle with the wick, then an engulfing, and then a spread candle, which is a doji candle, like undecided candle, right? This is the set of three candles most likely will appear right here. Okay, it's almost 99% chance that you will see the same candle right in this area. Okay, moving forward to NVDA, good to buy. We are in wave B, rounding top market. What will happen? The market has not yet done the downside. Okay, the bottom is 155.32. I want to buy here, but I want to sell in the money covered call, at least 10% in the money. I will still make a little bit of money on that one because there won't be huge money to make on in the money covered call. But still, I want my share to be break even at 155 area and then accumulate the position for the long call at 155. So then buy the leap call, long call, short the put, whatever the hell you want to do. Moving forward to QBTS, QuantumScape, right when the stock was trading right in this area at 1939, I alerted the stock will tank, and sure enough, this is what happens. Okay, what we are looking at now we are looking at a little bit of retracement right here in the point of control line, which is 18 area, and then another sell-off. So from here, there will be a retracement upside, means stock will go upside, 18 area, and then it will sell off again. Good to short the put at the money put for 18 June 2026. Make sure you sell at the money. You need to have a $2 to $3 downside. Okay, the bottom is around 1287. That's the area that we are targeting. Okay, the liquidity below these 2 points. If the price drop below this area, like take down this point and this point, the liquidity, the stop loss right in this area, I'll be all in this position right at 1287, 1290 area, which is right here. I'll be going all in on this. Okay, moving forward to Rivian, $14. We are above the $14 range. What we are looking at, we are looking for $15.45 to $16 range now to trade. We are in wave 4. This is a symmetrical triangle in formation right in this area. If you look at wave 4, will become a symmetrical triangle eventually. You see that this is bullish symmetrical triangle because the price went up and then forming a symmetrical triangle. The price will eventually break out. Very similar setup to the Tesla we had a couple of weeks back when it was trading around $295 and $300. We had a symmetrical triangle, bullish. So this is bullish. Eventually, the stock would break out towards 1605 and then sell off. So at 1605, you should be out of all your position on Rivian. Moving forward to SMCI, buy and hold as much as possible. Institution buy 3.313 million share has been purchased in this week. And you see that how this week has been marked. This is what I talk about. This is the stopping volume, and that's where the institution are interested at. 39.56. That's the price point. You want to buy as close as possible to this area and then ride all the way back to the first price target 45.34. Maximum we are looking at 48.91. Okay, because all this downtrend right here, this spread candle right here, okay, the top of this candle will be our price target 48.81. We will take down all these areas, so price will come from here to 45.34, a little bit of retracement again, and then bounce. This will be the break of structure, change of character, price target hit 48.81, and will be out of all the trades. All right, moving forward to Tesla. So right when the stock was trading right in this area at this particular candle, I mentioned that stock is bearish. We have a lot of downside right here. I'm expecting first price target 325, the price to drop 325 area, 326, and then we will have a more clarity what will happen. So what's going on? When you see this kind of setup, you need to understand. If you have, let's draw a trend line right in this area. You see this? This is the area. This was the previous low 298. The market has been leaving a gap in this area right here, right here. This is the needed volume. Okay, so what will happen eventually the price will fall straight at this line. Okay, all these gap will be filled and all this liquidity sitting under this price point will be taken down. Okay, so 297 and eventually the price will go down. Okay, we'll break this trend line. You see that multiple times the price is bouncing off this line, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, and even before you will see a few points right here. This was the rejection. So this was the SR interchange area, support, resistance change into support. If you look at right in this area, this is what you are looking at. Okay, so resistance, 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 and now after this breakout it started working as a support line. So what will happen eventually, same way it broken upside, like when the breakout happened, so the resistance become the support. Same way eventually what you will see the the support line become resistance. The price will go below the support line and it will happen. There is nothing to be excited or it's going to $500. Okay, it may go, but market never goes up without the liquidity grab, and we have not seen a liquidity grab for a long time since this price point, which was at 7th of July. Okay, this was the liquidity grab sell-off. So from price from 359 straight drop into 289. After that, we have not seen a liquidity grab. This is just a retracement of trend because we are marking the higher low point. 1, 2, higher low. 1, 2, higher low. 1, down, higher low, and the price is in upward momentum. Eventually what will happen? Does it look like a ramp to you? You know, like this one, like this thing. So what will happen? Eventually the price will, from here it will fall straight like this from the top. So it will continue going upward and then drop. Okay, price will fail eventually. Okay, moving forward to WIX, currently trading at 1639. We are looking for the WIX to bounce around the interest rate cut straight into 1858. All right, so around anywhere between 1610 to 1532. As soon as we see the RSI oversold in this area on a 4-hour time frame, we'll be buying the long call on WIX, and all call will be buying for October expiry, which was our exact same trade, because we are expecting a WIX to bounce off right on the 17th September. Like a major shoot up in this one. Okay, moving forward to Algorand. All right, so we have been bullish since this one. This was alerted right here when the price was right at this area. 2232 was our bottom. We called it precisely. We bought it, we added, we're trading. Right when the price went above the 50 EMA, it was clearly alerted that we will retest 50 EMA. The spread candle retested the 50 EMA, and then the price is bounced. What is happening right now? When you look at the smaller time frame, you'll see the retracement going on. Again, this kind of retracement right here, 2325. Okay, so on a higher time frame we are bullish, but those are internal retracement. When you see this kind of candle, the spread candle green, that means it's a smaller time frame retracement going on, but the stock, the crypto is still bullish and will continue. What we are looking at, first price target, we are looking right here at 2753, most likely 2824. So between these two trend line, two resistance which we are heading right in this area. So this is where we'll see. I would be happy to take profit right here at this high, previous high, which is 0.2824, and I will exit my trade right in this area from here, 2825, and then wait for the retracement and take the next trade. So 2824, I'll be booking the profit, although it's going to 55, but still I will exit at 0.2824 to readjust my trade. I don't want my profit to fluctuate. Okay, I'll be in a solid profit in this position at 0.2824. So I don't want it to go down and then the profit come back, then profit go down. I don't want to play that game. So 2824, I want to realize the profit and then wait for the retracement and then ride all the way to 55, the next trade. Moving forward to Bitcoin. Clearly, Mentioned here day before yesterday, I think in the Discord, that we are facing a resistance right in this area. So we have a rejection. There is a possibility of retracement right into another retest of the 50 EMA, like this one, like this candle, red candle, 50 EMA, which is around 111,331. So approximately $1,300 drop before we break out. Okay, eventually we are going to $117,000. This trend will end at $117,000. Interest rate cut will be bullish for the crypto and will be sell the news for the stock market. So just make sure you are playing well. Okay. So moving forward, Solana, we are not in the trade right now. We are waiting for 180 area, and precisely that's what it's heading. The trend line. This is the area we want to buy from 178. Now we have to go 180.21. This is the area 0.68 Fibonacci retracement wave 5. We have to go to this area 4 hour. We have a death cross. We have an overbought. The Solana is about to drop. We took the exit at 213.54. That was the perfect exit right in this area. Since then, we missed the entry right here, right here. We have a needed volume in this area again, and you will see the magic, very similar chart pattern like Tesla. Okay. What will happen in this area? This is what will happen. These gaps need to be filled. Not many people understand why it need to be filled. Okay. These are needed volume. Okay. This is what has to fill. The price will go up, and from here it will drop sharp trend line. Previous low, take down these liquidity right here, here, and 180, and then bounce toward 281.20. Okay, so the next one is Cardano. We are in the trade. We'll continue with the trade. All right, so the first price target will be right here, which is 0.96. To book the profit, we took the entry around 80.80. Okay, so 0.96 you can book the profit, but eventually it's going 141. If you want to book the profit at 0.896, you will definitely have a better entry after that. Okay, so in next couple of days, price will retrace, and you will have another entry. So it's good to book the profit at 0.96. So wave 4 retrace, wave 5 will end precisely right here, precise to the cent. Wave 5 will end here. If you're a long-term investor and you can continue holding, it doesn't really matter to you. But if you are a trader, as soon as 0.96, you exit and again buy anywhere between exit at 96 and buy anything 85 area or 86 area. So 10 cent retracement is confirmed on this one. All right, moving forward. So as soon as the market open, we'll be taking the BMNR trade. We will continue holding all other trade. Core view, those who want to adjust, you can adjust. I wouldn't be rolling my covered call because the covered call is in loss because the share is in profit. So I don't want to roll my covered call in loss, right? I roll my options when they are giving me extra credit. So you roll for credit, not for debit. Understand that. Okay. So I will let the share to be called away, and while $150 long call is keep printing money for us. Okay. Focus on BMNR at the market open. We are watching for this next big momentum candle right here. And we have a trade alerted yesterday. Open that trade as soon as the market opens and continue holding the existing trade, which is in the profit. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And I'll see the Discord member in the Discord with more precise detail. Focus on Tesla, BMNR, AI, CMG, SMCI, Coin, CoreView, HIMS, and MSTR definitely. These are the stocks that you need to pay attention this week. Thanks. Bye.